Hi everybody, it's Mrs. BG here at BG's Model Workshop. What everyone's been waiting for, it's the stash ad video. Oh, we got this cool Corvair. Brian loves Corvairs, as you all know, and this is the special kit with the pin stand. Actually, it's pretty fun. So, it's a really good kit, and I think Brian has about 4 or 5 Corvair kits, so it's pretty awesome. And, oh, this was fun. So we got this Batman sprue kits, just kind of like the last minute thing. Oops, there's a nice sprite. There we go. Put together action figure thingamajiggy bobber. So, looks pretty cool. It'll be fun. And that's all that's important, is that it's fun. Next! We hit a sci-fi table. And who doesn't love Buck Rogers? I remember the TV show as a kid. I loved Buck Rogers. I wish Buck Rogers would come back. That would be so much fun. Anyway, Brian found this cool Marauder kit. It'd be fun and sci-fi-y and all that good stuff. So, box is a little worse for the wear, but that's all right. It's a pretty cool find. Next! Gluten-free crackers? What?
I thought you were hungry.
Is this to get me to do... well, that's not a Bandai, so I can't build that for the Bandai bill. I think...
What is that right there?
Oh, I guess it is Bandai. I'm looking at HG and going stupid. That's all right. I keep promising Mr. BG that I'll enter the Bandai group build. I'm not sure if this is going to be the kit, but I did finish my last baby blanket that's due ASAP-y, so hopefully this weekend I will crank something out. In the model building genre. Whoops! Oh, here we go. Oh, yes. I spotted this and said, Mr. BG! Just like that, too, let me tell you. Mr. BG loves Robotech, and this is a pretty cool vintage kit. The box, again, is a little worse for wear, but it should be pretty fun and a pretty cool find. You just don't see these every day, so awesome. Whoop! So I found a whole bunch of cute little mini cars for Mr. BG to get. So anyway, not a Union car, super cool, just looks like a fun build. Then I saw the Ferrari, and if I get motivated, I might just steal this to build for Acme, but I know I shouldn't make promises that I don't know if I'll keep. But it's cute and it's tiny, so, you know, there's always hope. That I'll finish something soon, right? Anywho, got another Porsche 917. Mr. BG is looking at some Martini racing.
Martini.
So he's looking at some decals, dazzles, however you want to say it. Tomato. Anywho, fun kits, great deal. 3 for $30. You can't beat that at a swap meet. Next! And then the coup de grace.
The Delahaye.
The coupe de grace. The Delahaye. Delahoo. Delahaye. Delahaha. Sorry. Anyway, Brian picked this kit up. It should be pretty fun. It might be a little bit heller or a little bit awesome. We'll see. Anyway, it should be fun. And I think that does it for our stash ads. We had a great time at the swap meet. I'm sure most of you already checked out my video. I really love doing those so that all the guys can visit and I just take videos. So, worked out pretty awesome, and it's been awesome talking to you. See you soon! And hopefully we'll see some of you at In-N-L East here in another month. Woohoo! We're so excited for that. Anyway, ta-ta, TTFN, ta-ta for now, and we'll see you soon.